Hello everyone, I am Tamar Nelson, Chief Technical Director of the Jamaica Productivity Centre, and we're truly excited to be celebrating Manufacturers Month with the JMEA under the theme Recover and Renew with Manufacturing. Undoubtedly, manufacturing is a critical sector within the economy, providing employment for thousands of Jamaicans while contributing to the nation's GDP. However, during the period of 2014 to 2018, there was a decline to 0.8% in volume of output per labor input or labor productivity growth, in contrast to the previous four-year period, 2009 to 2013, where the labor productivity growth levels averaged 1.8%. This year, the manufacturing sector, like others, has been significantly impacted by the global pandemic, COVID-19. And as we seek to recover and renew, we believe that productivity is a fundamental element that must be intensified across all sectors of the economy. Hence, the need to explore the abounding opportunities that exist in improving technology adoption, improving labor and operational efficiencies as it relates to productivity, as well as increase the value added of goods and services being produced, which will allow for greater agility as well as boost the recovery process, resulting in even more dynamic, competitive, and thriving sectors, positively impacting our economy and standard of living. The Jamaica Productivity Centre commends the JMEA on its efforts to improve the manufacturing sector. We remain committed to providing the necessary support to facilitate improvement of the nation's productivity levels for the enhanced competitiveness and socio-economic well-being of all Jamaicans. Happy Manufacturers Month. Let's recover and renew with manufacturing together.